Gravel can make any space look clean, modern, and low maintenance. But once weeds start pushing through, that tidy look disappears fast. Before you give up on your gravel setup, there's a better solution and it's easier than you think. Gravel is made of small, loose stones, often sourced from crushed rock or riverbeds. It's commonly used for driveways, walkways, patios, and even garden beds. One popular type is pea gravel, smooth, rounded stones perfect for decorative areas and outdoor spaces. Weeds grow in gravel because seeds settle between the stones. Find soil underneath and get enough sunlight to sprout. Once they take root, they spread quickly if left untreated. For light growth, pulling weeds by hand is the simplest fix. Grab them at the base and pull slowly to remove the roots. If the ground is dry, water it first to make the job easier. Vinegar works as a natural weed killer by drying out the leaves. It's most effective on young weeds, while stronger solutions may be needed for tougher growth. Salt draws moisture out of weeds, eventually killing them. But use it carefully. Too much can damage the soil and prevent future plant growth. Boiling water is a fast, chemical-free way to kill weeds. It works best on young plants and may need repeating for deeper roots. For persistent weeds, a herbicide can eliminate them down to the root. Just be careful, these products don't discriminate, so only spray what you want gone. A weed torch uses intense heat to destroy plant cells. It's quick and effective for young weeds, but safety is key. Avoid dry debris and follow local fire rules. To keep weeds from coming back, focus on prevention. Use landscape fabric, add solid edging, and maintain a thick gravel layer to block sunlight and stop seeds from growing. The secret to weed-free gravel isn't just removal, it's consistency. Tackle weeds early and your space will stay clean, simple, and low maintenance all year round. Want more simple landscaping hacks like this? Stick around, your next upgrade might be easier than you think.